Good morning, welcome back to another video. It's Saturday morning. I'm excited. I'm going to be doing at least 2 or 3 paintings this morning before I go off and do my Saturday morning chores. I just wanted to show you, this is the dried result of the re-dip in a dip. I think it really dried very nice. It's very colorful, very pretty. I love the patterns and the designs in it. Turned out really nice. So in today's video we are going to be doing I don't know what it's called, to be honest. It's a bottle bottom pour. I don't know. But anyway, I had a 500 ml cola bottle and I've cut off the bottom, and we are going to be pouring over this because it's got these humps and grooves on it, and you pour over that and it creates like a flower. It's actually very pretty. So if you haven't done one before, then follow along. It's a very easy technique to do. And they're very pretty paintings. So follow along and let's create something really pretty. I'm just going to cover the canvas with some white. Just a little bit of a base to help the paints flow over the canvas. So I hope you are all having a wonderful day, wherever you are. I'd actually love to hear from you where you are. Okay, right, so I've just put a little bit of a white base down. And now all you do, pardon me, is you just put that down in the middle, like so. And now we are going to just pour paint over it, and it will run down the sides. You just keep layering colors over it. Okay, now all we have to do is lift this up. Now the paint should run a little bit into the middle. I usually just push it down a little bit so the paint will run into the middle a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to hit it with the heat gun. Okay, now what I like to do is using just one of my sticks. I like to just do that. Yeah, okay, now we can tilt it. So again, just slowly go around. It's going to distort it, that's fine. It's holding its lines, it's holding the shapes, that's what we want. Okay, we can start going over. Now just make sure all the sides are covered. Yeah, it's very bright, very colorful. You take my gloves off and I will show it to you. like it. Very colourful, very bright. Very happy with that.